The situation on the Armenian-Azerbaijani border remains relatively unstable as Azerbaijan has not pulled out its troops from the Armenian state border yet. Moreover, the Azerbaijani soldiers who have invaded the territory of Armenia have launched engineering works in the mountains between Vardenis and Verin Shorzha village. According to the head of Verin Shorzha, Armenian-Azerbaijani, these Azerbaijanis are operating technical equipment and building a road that will be connected to their military posts. The operating technical equipment is already spotted on the Azerbaijani side, and the Azerbaijanis are already moving along the slope of the mountain with their vehicles. Armenian human rights defender Arman Tatoyan said water resources at the border settlements of Gegharkunik Province have come under the Azerbaijani army control. Azerbaijani soldiers illegally stopped the villagers at the pastures near the villages of Gegharkunik Province, demand to give explanations as to in what direction they are moving, for what purpose, and what they are transporting, try to carry out illegal searches of cars, threaten, he noted. According to him, pastures, hayfields, and lands of other importance cannot be used now as well. Many bodies and remains of soldiers killed during the recent Artsakh war are kept in the morgue in the Armenian city of Marduni. According to pathologist anatomist Artash Khachadarian, the DNA tests have been conducted for all the bodies. These samples have been taken and the expert examination is over. The bodies and remains are kept in refrigerant conditions, he said. They are identified and transferred to the parents, he added. A few days ago, social media users disseminated blood-freezing photos taken at a branch of the Scientific Practical Center of Forensic Medicine in Abovyan City, showing the bodies and remains of martyred Armenian soldiers in bags and thrown on the floor. The Ministry of Health confirmed the authenticity of the photos, and Acting Minister Anait Avanesyan apologized, accepting the fact that the remains of these soldiers had not been kept in proper conditions. One Armenian has been injured during a recent demonstration in front of the embassy of Azerbaijan in Moscow and demanding the release of Armenian prisoners of war. There was a brawl between the protesters and Azerbaijanis. An Azerbaijani approached us and provoked, saying that we have to leave the premises and not demand anything, the injured protester, Ashot Sargsyan, noted. According to him, there were not only Armenians but also Russians among these demonstrators. Sargsyan has already undergone surgery. Lawyer Ruben Gragosyan visited him and offered his services. Gragosyan is currently his attorney. Sargsyan said he did not know how the law enforcement authorities have processed the case. As of Friday morning, 72 new cases of the coronavirus were confirmed in Armenia, and the total number of these cases has now reached 223,050 in the country. Also, 4 more deaths from COVID-19 were registered, making the respective total 4,452 cases. The number of people who have recovered over the past 1 day is 246, and the total respective number so far is 214,059.